guys, welcome back to another video on Quick Guide. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can get logged out of your chess.com account. Now it's a really quick and easy video, so make sure to follow all the steps and stick till the end. And before we start the video, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now let's get started. Firstly, open up any web browser on a PC. And there on the URL, search for chess.com and press enter on a keyboard. Once you're in the chess.com account, you will see this type of interface on your screen. Now in order to get logged out of your chess.com account, you have to simply mouse over to the settings option, and there a pop-up menu will be appear on your screen. Now from there you have to tap on logout button. And there you go, you have successfully get logged out of your chess.com account. So that's all it takes to get logged out of your chess.com account. Hope you understand and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.